Good morning, students. Now, today we are going to discuss the topic ways of increasing friction and ways of decreasing friction. Now, there are two methods of increasing friction. First is by increasing the roughness of the surface, and second by increasing the mass of the object. Now, some of the examples which is based the friction between two surfaces can be increased by pressing the surface together more strongly. This makes the projections press against each other more strongly and increases the size and numbers of connections between the surfaces. The most common examples in bicycles and cars, brakes pads in the brake systems are provided. When brakes are applied on a bicycle or car, the brakes pad presses against the moving part of the wheel and force of friction increases. This opposes the rotation of the wheel and slows down the bicycle or car until it stops. Another example, parachutes are designed to increase friction. Air friction slows down the parachutes of falling man so that he can land safely. In most of the vehicles, the tires of the vehicles are threaded for makes a better grip between the tires and the ground. This also moves water out of a wheel as the tires rolls over a wet road, reducing the risk of sliding. Now, another example, that is spikes are provided in the soles of the shoes of athletes to increase the friction and prevent from slipping on the ground. Now, what are the different ways to reduce friction? Following methods are commonly used. First one is by applying lubricants. What is lubricants? Lubricants is the substance which is used to reduce the friction. As for example, oil, grease. So by applying lubricants between the two rubbing surface of the machine parts, we can reduce the friction. Second is, if the surface of the substance is rough surface, by polishing the surface of the surface, friction can be reduced. Third is the common examples in all the moving apparatus, as for example in electric fans or motor vehicles, ball bearings are used. Why ball bearings are used? Because ball bearings, it converts sliding friction into rolling friction. Next one is all the boats, cars, planes, rockets have a streamlined shape. Streamlined shape of the boats, cars or planes or ships that reduce the friction with air or water. And another is the way of reducing friction is to separate the surfaces by air. Thank you.